Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to edit form settings in HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you will come to the home screen. Now in order to edit the form settings in HubSpot, what we want to do is go to the cog in the top right hand corner here, press the cog and then go all the way down to the bottom on the left hand side here, and we want to go to the marketing tab. If it's not open, just click it and use the arrow, and as you can see here we have got the forms option. Select forms, and then as you can see we have a few tabs at the top and a number of changes that we're able to make. So firstly, we are able to change the design of the form. Now this is obviously going to be really important if you want to stick to your brand, your colours, and really emphasise your marketing. So as you can see, you've got the font family, you can change the size of the text, the alignment, and obviously here you can change the colours as well. Use the button on the side here, or just feel free to use the codes as applicable. Again, you can change Helvetica to anything else, but once you do make those changes, just make sure you press the save button on the left hand side. As you can see, you can change the alignment, right, center, etc. So all really useful stuff, and just really important to try and make it as brand central as possible for yourself. Also, if you go to submission settings, you can click here whether you'd like to allow submissions without email address to create contacts. Now this is a very grey area, difficult thing to decide on. Essentially, getting a contact record without an email address is essentially pretty redundant, in my opinion anyway. However, if you've got a good reason for collecting contact names without email addresses, then maybe you want to tick this as on. Just all you need to do is slide it across, but personally I wouldn't recommend it. You're not ever going to be able to get anywhere marketing wise. You're not going to have I'm sure there are good use cases, but one right now is not springing to mind. I would always ensure that when you're adding a contact record to any CRM system, you want to be collecting their email address as well, just as a point of contact. And then finally, we've got the non-HubSpot forms. As you can see here, we can collect data from website forms and then send email notifications for collected form submissions to nick@crmcrew.co.uk. So essentially, this is turn automatic collection of form data on from non-HubSpot forms on and off here. So if you do want, so any forms that are not based solely on HubSpot, you still want to be collecting the data. As you can see here, you can choose whether you collect data from the website forms or not, and you can just tick yes or no. And that is all the settings for forms inside of HubSpot CRM. And that is how to change some of the settings inside of the HubSpot CRM system. I hope this video has clearly explained how to edit form settings in HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.